In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Mentions to get the right person's attention. Jira Mentions are a simple but effective way to notify a teammate directly inside an issue. Instead of hoping someone notices a comment later, you can tag the specific person you need, making collaboration faster and much more organized. To get started, log into Jira and open the issue where you want to notify someone. Once you're inside the issue, scroll down to the comments section or open any text field where mentions are supported. This is usually the easiest place to communicate updates, ask for help, or request a review. When you're ready to mention someone, type the @ symbol followed by the person's name or username. As you type, Jira will usually show a suggestion list. From that list, select the correct user carefully so the mention goes to the right person. This is especially helpful if multiple team members have similar names. After selecting the user, write your message right after the mention. Keep your comment clear and specific so the person understands exactly what you need. For example, you might write that a bug fix is ready for review and include the expected deadline. If needed, you can also add extra details, helpful links, or attachments to give more context. The more complete your message is, the easier it is for the other person to respond quickly. Once your comment is ready, click Add or Comment to post it. After that, Jira sends a notification to the person you mentioned. This makes mentions a great tool when you need someone's attention without sending a separate message in email or chat. It's also useful to know that mentions are not limited to comments. You can use them in other Jira fields as well, including issue descriptions, work logs, comments, and other rich text fields. That gives you flexibility depending on where the discussion or update is happening inside the issue. If you want to check mentions that you have received yourself, click your profile icon and open notifications. There, you can review updates where you were mentioned and keep track of conversations that need your attention. A good final tip is to use mentions thoughtfully. Tag the right person, make your message concise, and include enough detail to avoid back and forth confusion. When used well, Jira Mentions help teams communicate clearly, speed up responses, and keep work moving smoothly.